Right now is your opportunity to own this model home from Southgate Homes. This home is dialed, it is decked out. I'm gonna show you a video today. Everything you see on this video is gonna come with the house. This is your opportunity to buy a model home. People call me all the time, hey, can I buy that model? Can I buy that model? Most of the time the answer is no, it's not for sale. But this one is, and here's the best part. It's right here in the one and only Windsong Ranch. That is the master plan community located in Prosper, Texas, with the 2 pools, the pickleball courts, the basketball courts, the one and only 5-acre crystal clear white sand beach lagoon. Truly one of a kind type of community. You've got a full-time event staff that are planning events for you year round. It is truly just an amazing, amazing master plan community. So we're gonna feature this house today from Southgate Homes. It's right across the street from an amenity center called The Bridge. So beautiful park, playground, fishing pond, a really great location for a home here in Windsong Ranch, located in this creekside area. So I think you guys are gonna love this house. I'm gonna go over some specs inside because it is really hot out here, but I'm out here doing the work. So don't forget, I'm AJ Taylor from the Finnegan Taylor team, and I'm gonna give you this awesome tour of this Southgate model. Come on, let's go. All right, welcome inside of this 61-foot model from Southgate Homes. Now, like I mentioned, this model is for sale right now. So if you've ever wanted to live in a model home with all of the upgrades that you could ever imagine, now is the time. All right, let's run through a couple of specs about this house before I get started on this tour and show you all right around this house. This house is 3,800 square feet. It is a 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath that also includes a media room that's downstairs, a separate office, a game room upstairs, and a nice covered patio. And 4 of the bedrooms have their own bathroom, so their own ensuite. Really nice for guests. It's got a downstairs guest bedroom with its own ensuite bathroom. So, highly upgraded house. Now, we got this on the market right now for $1.2 million. And you can also purchase the furniture with the house. So that's gonna be another charge, but there is a number that they have to purchase all the furniture with the house. It's got 2 elementary schools right here inside of the community. It's got Mosley Middle School at the top of the community. And then the other middle school, Rushing, is just about a mile away. And then across the street from that is the brand new Richland High School, which is Windsong is zoned to go to Richland High School, all part of Prosper ISD. All right, let's get into this tour now and show you this amazing, stunning model home that you can buy right now. All right, we come in this entryway and you're greeted by this big, massive staircase. And they've done these horizontal bars going through it. So it's that real modern look. So really nice, big, open entryway. I love it when you walk in. Just a great statement piece, looking all the way down this long hallway, all the way to the outside. We come right over here to our right, and it's our first bedroom. And this is a downstairs guest suite. Now, obviously, there's tons of upgrades in this house, guys. It is a model home, so you're gonna have things like the paneling on the ceiling, the beautiful light fixtures, just super highly upgraded, and it can all be yours. You can move right into it just as you see it, which is a very cool thing. If you're not looking to design anything and you just wanna be turnkey and ready to go, this would be the house for you. So, nice little bench window seat there. I love that. And it's got its own bathroom inside, so it's an ensuite. And they have done some nice things in here. And they've done a stand-up shower, nice floor to ceiling tile in here. Beautiful floor going into the shower there. So really nice, clean, modern, classy look. Okay, over here is going to be the garage. Right now, it's the sales office, but this will be converted into a 3-car garage. So you'll come in this door and you'll have your mud bench area right here, where you hang your backpacks and everything, and you'll come right into the house. Continuing down the hallway here, off to the right, you have your study or your office. Really nice built-in shelves over here, nice curtains, beautiful, nice office here. And right across the hallway is your media room, downstairs media room. Now, it's not a massive media room, but I like this setup, kind of the cozy couch and kind of family vibe in here. So nice media room downstairs. We feel like people use their media rooms way more when they're downstairs as opposed to upstairs. All right, you got your powder bath right here, and that will be for all of your guests. so they do not have to go into any of the bedrooms. You got your nice powder bath. They've done a beautiful standalone sink there with the drop down mitered edge, paneling on the walls. I mean, this house is just decked out. And check out the living room. This is a stunning floor plan. You got the beams running all the way through the ceiling there. You've got the sliding glass doors opening up that whole patio. And look how beautiful this kitchen is. You got the waterfall edge on the quartz. They've done the full overlay cabinets, keeping with that really modern theme. Beautiful push-in range here. So they got the double oven, the windows left and right of there, just letting in all this natural light. I also love that they've taken this countertop up the wall, so you don't have any grout, any tile. It's just this clean, cohesive look. Southgate is really known for this little nook area and all of their big windows. So they use a spray foam insulation, which allows them to pass the energy code efficiency better than other builders. So you notice these huge windows all the way around. Now they've done sliders on the left, big side, and the right. So this whole wall kind of opens up to an indoor-outdoor living. Love the bench seats around here. Just such a nice inviting area for friends and family. Just a little look back at the kitchen, and let's come over here to the pantry. Not a huge pantry, but a nice walk-in pantry. Plenty big enough. Now they've elected to do some of these floating shelves here. Full disclosure, I built this exact same house. That's how much I love Southgate Homes, and they're a great, awesome quality builder. This is the Addison floor plan, and I have built this exact same floor plan, and I elected to do a couple of different things. Like I did not do those shelves there because I wanted more cabinet space. So little things like this that we can help you through the process. We come into these model homes and you look for ideas. Now this one you're able to buy right now. So very cool, you can buy it with everything you see. Right now, you can have all of it. But if you choose to just build the floor plan, we can help you and guide you into what we think might work a little better or a little bit more efficient. So we've done it. In fact, I did it all of it exactly myself. I built this exact home, so I can help you with that. But all right, let me spin this thing around and we're gonna keep going and showing you what's going on here. Lots of people will do a built-in to the left of the fireplace there and then put the TV above the fireplace instead of in that little corner there, but not a huge issue. You can design it the way that you want. Look back down the hallway and let's come around here. We're gonna go into our primary or master bedroom around this corner here, and they've also done the beams in here. They painted them white. I think I like them better, this natural wood color, like in the living room over here, but totally just up to you. But look, beautiful wallpaper, curtains, like all of this will be included with the sale of the house. So like I said, if you're looking to have a turnkey house, reach out to me and we can make a sweet deal on this house. I know the people, the builders in Southgate, the sales reps, I promise you we'll get you a good deal on this house. Okay, now, Southgate has an incredible bathroom. Wait until you see this. Check out this bathroom. Isn't that awesome? So they've done the floating vanities here, which is very cool, and beautiful mirrors and beautiful just lighting fixtures and wallpaper, that drop down edge of that countertop. And that's the same stone, by the way, that is in the kitchen. So just that really cohesive look carrying all the way through. There's a look at the shower here. They're taking that tile all the way to the top, 2 shower heads. Coming over here to your main kind of master closet area here. Now you can deck this out, get a California Closets or a custom closet builder to come in and make this way more efficient than what they've done here. But just to get an idea for the space, you can make this a little more functional. Well, really nice bathroom though. I just love how Southgate does their bathrooms. And then this leads you through to the laundry room. They've got a sink in the laundry room, which I love. Love the cabinet space in here. And I do love how it loops through your bathroom, into your bedroom, all the way back out here. So it's just a continuous loop of it, which is really cool and very useful. And before we go upstairs, let's go outside here. Now they've got 2 sets of sliding glass doors, but let's use this smaller one. Come out here to your covered patio. Now, what I would do is they've already got the plug up there. You would do a roll down shade right here, be able to open up this sliding glass doors and have true indoor outdoor living in this space. Now, they've done a really cool fireplace here, this fire pit area, all gas, ready to go. They've even done a little putting green on this side. This is a 60-foot wide lot. However, this is a little bit oversized because it's a corner lot. So they got the putting green over here, beautiful fireplace feature area, and still a lot of grass area on this side. So a really nicely designed house here. And here's the little view of the outdoor patio. Really nice. All right, now let's jump back inside. We've seen most of the downstairs. Now let's head upstairs. But before we do, I'm AJ Taylor from the Finnegan Taylor team. And listen, I have helped hundreds of clients just like you make a move up here to North Dallas or anywhere in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I specialize in helping you and your family relocate here. So give a call, shoot a text, send an email. I would love to start that conversation with you. And just know, I did the process myself. I moved my whole family across the country all the way here, and I live in Windsong Ranch now. I live in Prosper, so I did the whole process, and I'd love to help you through the whole process and teach you kind of what I've learned through it and help you throughout it. So give me a call, shoot a text, and an email. I'm here to help. All right, let's head upstairs. All right, here we go, coming up the stairs here. This particular plan has these windows on the staircase. Now this will depend on the elevation that you choose to build. The elevation is the front of the house. So you can have a different elevation with a porch and you don't get those windows, but you get a porch. So just kind of up to you, but this particular one does have those awesome windows. I'll give you a little look back. Really nice, just so many windows, so much natural light in this house. It's really, truly incredible. Okay, up here, the game room. Now, they've got about $75,000 into this hardwood floor because they carried it all the way up the stairs. Beautiful all the way throughout the house. They've done some nice paneling on the ceiling here. Beautiful light fixtures. Over here, you've got the kids kind of learning station. So all built in with the quartz countertop, all the cabinets all ready to go. So super nice area right there. And up here, you're gonna have 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. 2 of them have their own ensuite. So if we turn over here, we're gonna see your first bedroom. There's the closet for this bedroom. And here is the bedroom. It's a nice size. It's not a massive room, but it is a nice size bedroom, right? You got your nice windows here. And here's coming into your own bathroom. So that's really nice. You got your own ensuite. And then directly across the hallway, you've got another bedroom. Now this one does not have the bathroom inside because the bathroom is over here in the hallway. And this is a nice bathroom in here. But that's nice because your guests can come and use that bathroom and they don't have to disturb anybody in their room. Look at this, isn't this a great bedroom? They've done the paneling on the walls, another bench seat up here, man. What a great, nice, beautiful, bright bedroom. I don't know, I just really love this layout of this house. It's so functional. So we come back through here and we're gonna go across the game room here to our 3rd ensuite bedroom upstairs. Once again, tons of natural light, nice size bedroom. You've got your double doors here that lead you into this bathroom. They've done the shower tub combo, nice tile all the way up. So just a really well appointed house. Tons of upgrades done by a professional interior designer. So you're gonna really reap all the benefits of this place. It is just a stunning house, amazing layout in one of the best master plan communities right here in Windsong Ranch. So if you guys are interested in this property, I'm here to help. So give a call, shoot a text, send an email. I'm AJ Taylor from the Finnegan Taylor team. Listen, we are here to help make this process as smooth as possible. We got great relationships with this builder. So if you're interested in this house or any other home up here in the North Dallas area, reach out, we are here to help. All right, buddy, we'll catch you on the next one.